Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, we are offering the challenge for Dolls Gone Goth. That's any doll at all, dressed goth or not dressed goth. This is one of my 28-inch Monster High dolls, which I absolutely love. I have several. I only brought one out. I didn't have time to carry them all out. But we offer this each month on the 16th, Dory and I, and we would love for you to join in with us. This month is Halloween, and you still have time to make a video. I brought my 28-inch Monster High out to our Katy Trail display. We live on the Katy Trail, and we put up a Halloween display. We'll show you more of that on another video. I bought this at a garage sale. What did I pay, like $1.50?
I don't remember.
Wasn't much at all. But I do want to show you my Monster High's eyes. They have a little button in the back, if you don't know, and I love this. Like a Blythe doll, they change eyes, and I love the bi-colored eye chips. Love it. So what do I usually keep her on? I think must be these. So she has on her Christmas dress, and she's out here with our display. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by all of the channels today that are hosting a Dolls Gone Goth video. And if you are, let us know in all of the comments. When you go to a video today that has Dolls Gone Goth, let them know that you also have a Dolls Gone Goth. I personally want to see them all. I mean, Halloween, who doesn't want to see that? Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. In most of my videos in October, I'm adding something a little silly and fun if you'll join in our comments. I'm going to give the first or second or third or just a phrase from a song, and what I want you to do is fill out the next line, but go through the comments, and if that line's already there, do the following, you understand, so that the whole song is in the comments, but everybody has one line. And for this one, we're doing "The Witch is on Her Broomstick."